Hey, Backyard Brennan here. Welcome back. So I did a little short on a leak that I've been chasing down on this main mass cylinder for this hyster, and I thought that I would go about showing you how I found it and what I'm going to do to fix it. So this fitting right here is an O-ring boss fitting that goes to O-ring face fitting for the hydraulic line. So that was in there, and originally I thought maybe it was this O-ring or the O-ring on the O-ring face out here. I replaced those. Was still leaking. And I was struggling. I was like, man, where's this coming from? So what I did is I went ahead and made me up a little hose here that I can use to hold pressure. So I got my regulator set at 140 psi. So we're just gonna, let's see here, which way that turns towards me. So we're gonna pump this bad boy up till we can't hear the air flow anymore. I don't hear it filling up anymore, so it's maxed out. And I'm gonna close that valve. So now there's 140 psi in that cylinder, which is nothing compared to what it usually sees. It usually sees probably 1,000 psi, if not more. But right there. All right, so you see me struggling there to try and identify the crack. Well, little persuasion. Everybody's favorite persuasion tool. And look at that. You can even hear it now. All I did, so when I took the burr to it, the burr was able to just close it up enough. But I took the little hammer, started tapping around it to loosen things up, and look who decided to show their face. Yeah, bud. All right, so your ears are almost always better tools than your eyes. So if you listen, you can hear the change in sound. So not only do you see the bubbles, but you can hear the change in sound from the air. And that's how you identify where exactly the crack is and if you got to keep gouging. And there she is, all welded up. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit and then pump her full of air and see what happens. But I know it's gonna be good. You know why? Because I'm a professional. And I can say that because I'm getting paid to do this. But, Backyard Brandon, hit the old ding ding. Give me the old ding ding. Even if you didn't ding it, go ahead and ding it. I'm a new channel. I need them subscribers and them comments. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. I need people to tell me what I'm doing wrong, not what I'm doing right, because I don't do nothing right. I always do stuff wrong. So go ahead and tell me down below what I did wrong. Hit the ding ding. Share so other people can see all my mistakes. And subscribe. Because you want to. I know you want to. Thanks for watching.